Boise Foot Trucking. Good morning. Today we are going to concentrate on some ducks, wildlife, and this beautiful water that in a few months will be all dried up because it'll be fall. Okay, so I am going to pause this and we'll resume when I see a duck. Okay, we are back and we see ducks. Here comes a bunch of teenage girl ducks right now. Oh, yeah. Whoa, look how big they got. See if we can catch this for a while. Whoa. Did you see that deep dive? God, they have gotten big. 2 weeks ago, they were 1.5 inches long. Don't go in there, duckies. Beautiful family. These guys here are about starting to think on their own. See, and here's a family over here. They're a smidgen younger. See, they still got that fuzzy hair. Oh, here's the papa guy over here. Look at these guys. These guys are well alert. Oh, there must be a duck in that big bush there laying eggs because they're pretty protective of that. Oh, here we got a brave one. He's leading. Here I got, let me see if I can get this right here. That is very cool. Look at these ducks. Nice. Wow. Good morning. Good morning, Mrs. Duck. You sure are working hard. I know. That's a big job you have. Look at that. Oh, beautiful shot. Back over to the feeding trough. This is easier than hunting it on your own. Wow, it doesn't get any cuter than that. That is for damn sure. Oh, look how cute they are. Some of them have more bumblebee fur than others, so it must be coming off quick. Probably by tomorrow that bumblebee fur will be gone. Well, and it looks like they're pulling it out too. I know, Mrs. Duck. I'm staying away. I'm just trying to take a picture of your babies, that's all. I'm not bothering them at all. I wouldn't bother them. Not for 1 second. There we go. Yeah, it's safer in the water, isn't it? Okay, we'll go find another family, okay? Thank you. Here's a group of older ducks just waking up to face the day. Look at that. And they got one guard down here, keeping track. Whoa, 3 guards now. They heard me. Wow. Oh, here comes some reinforcements. Reinforcements were called. Yep. Look at, they're surrounding everything. Wow. Okay. We'll try to go find some more right over here. See what we got. Okay, here's some more guards. This guard here might be flirting. Or is he protecting that young mommy? Oh, and there's more action in the bushes over here. Oh, that's an older duck there, so he's an older guard. Here's a younger guard coming in. See how crisp his head is? The one there on the left, he's a little bit older. You can see he's got a little roughage of time on him. Okay, I'll move on, guys. Thank you for posing for me. Thank you. I'll move on right here. Wow. Today is a little later than I usually go. So today it's almost 9 o'clock. So we have, I would call it, normal activity in the water. There's a couple of young girls right here. Wow, look at their beautiful colors. And I hear some more activity over here. Oh, here comes the guard. You heard me. Yes, I see you. Yes, I see you. Maybe I can get you on this side. Oh, here's another guard trying to, oh, here's what they're protecting. I'll listen to them. I think there's some egg laying going on here. Or maybe hatch. Well, that was scary. See that one guard in the back? His feathers are a little stickety up, which means he's the same with this one. See? His feathers are just a teeny weeny stickety up, which means he is on high alert, ready to intervene at any time when necessary. See if they all go through this little canal. Oh, here's my beautiful tree. Wow. Okay, move down here a smidgen. Oh, this is kind of fun. I'm usually out here about 6 a.m. Sometimes earlier, maybe a little bit later, but very seldom this late. But I like it. There's ducks all in here laying eggs. Can you see those right over there? I think they're protecting the hatchers in the bushes. See, the bushes are moving around in there. Oh, beautiful tree. No assistance. That is just kind of growing wild right here on the creek. Wow, beautiful tree. Nice, beautiful morning in Boise, Idaho. Yeah, one tried sneaking by me, but I caught her with him. That duck there, the baby one, looked, I would say, 3 days old. There's another baby right there. See him? See the baby in the back bushes hiding? I would say that's 2 days old. Possibly even today. Oh, there's a couple of them in there. And they're following the shoreline. Mommy is following them outside the shoreline. Oh, and I just woke these guys up, sorry. That looks like Grandma and Grandpa right there. See, they're older. Yeah, that's Grandma and Grandpa. That's from 2 or 3 seasons ago. See, and there's young Daffy with her new family. Where'd the babies disappear to? Hello, Mrs. Duck. Thank you for posing for me. Get a foot. Wow. Good shot. Where'd the babies go? We better look for some other ones then. Very protective. See, she's watching her babies, but we can't see them. I can see the weeds shaking in there. And that's where the babies are, huh? I think maybe she's giving them a new set of rules for the next 3 minutes. Oh, here's a way older one. This one here is a few seasons old. Oh, yeah. See, this one's just holding her ground right here. That's good. Oh, she's got the itchies. I wonder if she's going to hatch today. I don't know. It looks too old to hatch. Let's see who else is hiding over here. My guess would be some ducks, possibly a goose. Okay, we'll carry this on in a minute. Oh, I can't miss this tree. Every week it looks a little different. Okay, should be sure to see some ducks around here. Meanwhile, we will get this waterway. Okay, we will be right back. Huh. There's a duck. See him? There he is, right there. She is. Okay, she must have some chicks inside that bush right there. See if we can get another peek at her. Yeah. I think her eggs are hatching right now. Looks like there is a few female guards around here. So I think that's what's happening. See if any babies are hiding in the grass. Ha! Spotted one. There's a baby. See him? There's a baby. So you gotta look close and quick. There's another glimpse. I think she was born this morning, that baby one. Possibly yesterday. Oh, there's a sibling. The way they're moving, I would say they were born yesterday. The day they are born, there's a lot of standing around. These guys are on the move with the only maneuver they know: follow. These guys are a little bit older. See them all down in there? Nature at its best. See if we can get some more action. Boy, that water sounds good, smells good. I think we're gonna see a few more right over here. And this water here is a little rough for ducks to hang out in. They can get downstream quick, but they like the calmer water to hang out and raise their chicks in. Go right there. Fun right out of the gate. I would say those guys are 3 to 4 days old. Trying to get across that river. Whoa. See, today it looks like these baby ducks are going to be getting taught a different maneuver. And it looks like this guy is doing it a little early. I would say 4 days old. Look at them geese down there. They're guarding something also. I think Mama Goose is gonna lay some eggs today. See that big goose down there? That's the one that was holding me off the other day. Okay, here comes a scout checking out the whole deal here. That is a toddler goose. Yeah, mommy's protecting her babies. Here comes full goose patrol. Goose patrol on duty. And this guard wants to know what's going on. Whoa, oh, come on, hurry up. Oh my God. The whole family's got to go down there now. We stick together. Uh-oh. Got reinforcements coming up the rear here. I'm getting surrounded front and back. Let's see what these guys have to say. Look at that guard in the back. He's a fairly young guard. Can tell by his smooth feathers. Uh-oh. I'm completely surrounded now. Okay, what's that? I didn't bring any grain with me, I promise. I will tomorrow. I'll bring grain tomorrow, I promise. I know, I'm staying away. I'm staying away. I'm staying away. Yeah, those over there are young teenage geese. Here's the two older guards. One younger guard over there. Here's a younger guard here. The two older guards are right here. See if they're going to get in the water here. We better catch that. Oh, where all those geese are, that's where all those baby ducks were. Oh, I see the ducks over here. They look pretty concerned. I think that must have been their babies floating out of there a few minutes ago. Just getting a drink and maybe they're moving on. Thank you, Mr. Geese, for such a great shot. Thank you. Thank you for watching Boise Foot Trucking.